everyone. First of all, welcome back to my channel. I hope all of you are fine and doing well. Guys, this video contains a very beautiful, stylish and trendy ideas of hand embroidered sleeves. Different type of stylized patterns of embroidery have been used to design the very beautiful, elegant, classy and decent sleeves. And the beauty and creativity of these designs is that they can be used for a number of wide variety of reasons and number of dimensions. So before going into the further details, I have a simple request that if you are new to my channel, if you haven't subscribed my channel, if you're watching my videos for the very first time, then please don't forget to subscribe, and while subscribing, press the bell icon so that you could remain notified with the latest updates and uploads on my channel. Guys, with this, let me share the amazing and trendy ideas. Different type of floral embroidery patterns have been used that could be used bi-dimensional, that is for hand embroidery as well as for machine embroidery also. You can design the very beautiful patterns of floral embroidery onto your kurti, onto your shirts, onto your everyday jalebias, abayas, onto your denim shirts, onto your soft blended cotton, organic linen t-shirts, onto your sweatshirts. Even you can embroider the patterns of uh, your sweaters. Crochet, knitted, handmade, hand knitted items could also be decorated along with very beautiful patterns of sleeves as you have been seeing onto your screens. So I would recommend you to don't leave without liking and make a habit of please sharing comments below my videos so that we could get to know what you feel about our content and what you want us to share with you in our latest and upcoming videos. Up till then, guys, take care, be happy, spread positivity, and may Allah bless you. May your every desire come true. So thank you so much for watching.